Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by removing grime and excess oils so moisturizers can work. Wash your palms in warm water for 30 to 60 seconds with a gentle, pH-balanced soap, then soak for 5 to 10 minutes with a teaspoon of oil or a mild soak to soften the calluses. Once done, lightly exfoliate in circular motions, just enough to lift dead skin. Make sure to rinse thoroughly. This prepares the surface so treatments penetrate rather than sit on top. You now lock in that softened state with targeted hydration. While palms are still damp, apply a humectant cream containing glycerin or hyaluronic acid so water is drawn into the skin. Then massage the product into palm creases for 2 to 3 minutes to boost circulation and force absorption. Once absorbed, seal with an occlusive like petroleum jelly for 5 to 10 minutes, or wear it overnight to prevent evaporation. This combination restores moisture, rebuilds lipids, and smooths texture. You finish by building habits that keep palms soft. Apply sunscreen SPF 30 to hands daily, avoid prolonged hot water, and reapply moisturizer immediately after every wash. Use protective gloves for cleaning or heavy work, and repeat an occlusive treatment 1 to 3 times weekly for stubborn areas. If you notice persistent deep cracks, bleeding, or intense pain, use a petrolatum dressing and seek professional advice. This troubleshooting step prevents infection and identifies if medical treatment is required.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.